Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya Kanchilal and today I'm going to teach you how to edit your reels in Premiere Pro just like mine, which I have showed you just right now. So this is going to be a complicated video, so please follow through the end, enjoy, and I'm going to meet you after the intro. The first step of reel editing in Premiere Pro is to set a sequence according to your reel. So what we will do is we will create a sequence. I have already created here sequence 1. So how you can create it, just click in this item, new item, then go to sequence, the first option, then go to settings, then change the frame size to 1080 frame and 1920. Vertical will be 1920, horizontal will be 1080. So this is because of most of the reels are made in portrait style. That's the reason I have changed the aspect ratio frame size. If you want to make a reel in landscape, then 1920 horizontal and 1080 vertical will be perfect. So now set the frame rate 59.94 frames per second. Display format will be same like this. Now click on OK. If you click on OK, it will create another sequence. I've already created one before, so I'm going to delete it. So now what you're going to do is, this is the first clip that I have taken it. Sorry, my mistake. This is the first clip that I have taken it. So clip it to 10 seconds. Like here is the pointer. Click I for in. Then slide it down to right here, then press O and it will be in and out. Now drag this clip to your sequence folder, keep existing settings, and your first clip is added to your sequence. So I'm not going to use the audio file because I'm going to use a music for it. So I'm going to delete the audio file. Say this is the first clip. Now what you have to do is, if your clip is not steady enough, then you have to use a wrap stabilizer. How you can use it? Go to effects right here, video effects, it's better to search warp stabilizer. Click it. Now analyzing in background, step 1 of 2. So it will start to analyze the background. Go to the effects control and you will see the frames are being analyzed and there are 602. So when it will be completed, it will be done. So we have to wait for a while and it is stabilized. The first footage is stabilized and now we are going to get the second footage. That is going to be this. So the second footage that I have clipped out is only 6 seconds. So I'm going to take the clip right over here and I'm going to scale it as frame size. So as you can see, it is now in the landscape mode, but it is inside the frame size that we have selected. So I have to keep it, I have to make it up. So I'll use the position scale to bring it up. And it is done. See, the scale degree is 311. I'm going to get it a little bit down. That's it. 319 is perfect. So now for the second clip, third clip that I'm going to use is this one. this is the clip that I'm going to use, and I'm going to stick it just in between the first and the second clip. And this clip is also needs to be scaled to frame size, and it is done. Now I'm going to drag it down. This is the position right over here. That's it. Perfect. So now the first 3 clips are done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create the layout of the video by just attaching the clips. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add some effects to the video. So first I'm going to add video transitions. All cross dissolves. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add it and second, third clip. So if you add this too, you'll get a nice fade out dissolved look when these 2 clips appears. So let me just show you. See, faded look comes out. Now what we are going to do is, as you have seen in the video that I have made, my third clip was in reverse. So how can you do that? Go to speed, duration, ripple and delete, reverse speed, and press OK. So you can see I am playing the video. The third clip will be in reverse and it will give a nice look to the video. So you see the third video is in reverse. So this is how you can do the reverse thing. And now all the clips have been laid out. So what we are going to do is we are going to use, first we are going to color edit the clips, then we are going to add the transition to the videos. So what color have I used in these reels, and the look that I've used is SL green. It is matrix green. Okay, all the clips are done. Now we are going to go back to the editing part, and now we are going to add some transitions. So it is time for the transition. I've already placed the transition into the reel sequence, and there are 4 transitions that I'm going to use right now. The first one is stretch down, this one, which is on the first, second and third clip attaching with the fourth clip. There is the stretch down. Then there is light leaks connecting fourth and fifth. Then there is RGB split, stretch down RGB split, stretch up RGB split. And the last clip which is connected to the fifth clip, that is lens RGB is okay. So these are the transition that I'm going to use, and now it's time to render. After render, I'm going to show you what is the final result. The clips has been rendered, so this is the final result that I'm playing right now. So please do check it out, and this is the final outcome that we have edited. and it is a bit laggy because my PC is not up to the mark for this level of work. Still I'm doing it. So this is the entire 23 seconds reel, and this is how you can edit. Hope you guys like the video. So if you like the video, so please share it with your editor friends and share it with everyone if you feel like so, and also comment and also subscribe for this kind of videos, this kind of learning outcomes. And I'm going to meet you in the next video. Until then, sayonara, bye bye, and please make my family YouTube family big. Bye bye.